yes, there's no doubt that oatmeal can definitely be your best friend. And I'm going to explain to you the many different healing medicinal properties that oatmeal has when it comes to your health. It's just not going to help you lose weight. It's going to help your heart, your intestines, your blood sugar levels, your insulin levels, your energy. There's just so many positive things that you should really understand. And the benefit of this fiber is that it will help you feel full and satiated. These beta-glucans mix with water and it thickens the food in your intestines. This will slow down digestion and help you feel satiated for so much longer.
Oats are one of the healthiest and most versatile foods you can incorporate into your diet, especially when you're trying to lose weight. Packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, oats can help keep you full longer, reduce cravings, and support digestion. They also provide a steady energy release, making them an ideal breakfast option for those looking to shed a few pounds. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to make oats for breakfast in a way that supports weight loss. If you're ready to learn how to prepare a satisfying, low-calorie, and nutritious breakfast, keep watching. Before we dive in, let me know where you're tuning in from. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more healthy eating tips. Let's get started. Why oats are great for weight loss. Oats are an all-cure, excellent choice for breakfast if you're looking to lose weight because of their high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan. This soluble fiber slows down digestion, helping you feel fuller for longer and preventing those mid-morning cravings. Oats are also rich in plant-based protein, which supports muscle maintenance and keeps your metabolism active. Choosing the right oats. When it comes to weight loss, not all oats are created equal. The more processed the oats are, the higher their glycemic index, which can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. So, for the best weight loss results, opt for whole oats like steel-cut oats or rolled oats. These oats are less processed and have a lower glycemic index, which means they're better at keeping your blood sugar stable. Avoid instant oats or pre-packaged flavored oatmeal, as they often contain added sugars and artificial ingredients that can interfere with your weight loss efforts. Instead, choose plain oats and control the ingredients you add for a healthier, more satisfying meal.
Bad fats, and be aware of what you're putting in your oatmeals. Make sure you're eating plain oatmeal. Be creative. Chia seeds, flax seeds you could put in there. Put your berries in, your strawberries, your raspberries, your blackberries, your blueberries. You could put avocado in there if you want more fiber. Use your almond milk. Put your nuts, your almonds, your walnuts. It's limitless. You can do anything you want. Remember, you can eat your oatmeal for breakfast, you can eat it for lunch, you can eat it for dinner. It's just not for breakfast only like people think it is. So, I promise you, if you start eating healthy oatmeal, your cholesterol levels are going to come down, your digestion is going to get better, you're going to prevent heart disease, prevent clogging within those arteries. It's going to lower triglycerides, your liver is going to function better. So many things are going to happen that's positive in your body. I challenge you. So I wish you only good health. So eat your oatmeal and start it immediately so you can reap those health benefits.
How to make oats for breakfast. Basic recipe. Let's start with the basics. A simple, nutritious bowl of oatmeal. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients. 1/2 cup of rolled oats or steel-cut oats. 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk. A pinch of cinnamon for flavor, optional. A handful of fresh berries or fruit, optional. Directions. 1. Cook the oats. In a saucepan, combine the oats and water or almond milk. Use a 1:2 ratio, 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid for a creamy consistency. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Stir occasionally and cook for about 5-7 minutes for rolled oats or 15 to 20 minutes for steel-cut oats until they are soft and the liquid is absorbed. 2. Add flavor. Once the oats are cooked, you can stir in a pinch of cinnamon for a natural sweetness boost without adding sugar. Cinnamon also has metabolism-boosting properties, making it a great addition to your weight loss breakfast. 3. Top it off. Add fresh berries such as blueberries or raspberries for an extra boost of antioxidants and fiber. You can also add a small handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts for some healthy fats and protein, which will keep you feeling fuller for longer. Creative ways to make oats for weight loss. If you're looking to switch things up, here are a few creative ways to make oats for breakfast that can keep your meals exciting and support your weight loss journey. 1. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a fantastic meal prep option for busy mornings. Simply combine your oats, almond milk, and your favorite mix-ins, like chia seeds, a dash of vanilla, and fruit, in a jar or container. Let it soak overnight in the fridge, and you'll have a ready-to-eat breakfast that's packed with fiber and protein. 2. Oat Smoothie. If you prefer smoothies, oats can be easily added for a filling, weight-loss-friendly breakfast. Blend 1/2 cup of rolled oats with a handful of spinach, some frozen berries, and unsweetened almond milk. The oats will add creaminess, fiber, and a boost of protein to your smoothie without the need for sugary additives. 3. Savory oats. If you're not into sweet oatmeal, consider making savory oats. Cook your oats with vegetables